Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about what is Microsoft Copilot AI tool, then its uses, and I will show you how we can use this Copilot in Excel and MS Word. So without further delay, let's start today's video. Copilot is an AI powered productivity tool that coordinates the large language model. It's integrated with Microsoft 365 applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. It uses many places like content creation. Copilot assists in creating documentation, presentation. It suggests some text, languages, and it enhances the design as well. In the data exploration, it helps analyze data and generate the insights. Then it create the chart and graphs. For Outlook, it can draft the emails, provide some suggestion. It give us some insights throughout email. Likewise, so there are lot of uses of Copilot. So let's see how we can use this Copilot in Excel and MS Word. I have this kind of data which contains some cells blank. So we will ask Copilot to generate a VBA code to highlight these blank cells with a yellow color. So let's see how the Copilot will help us on this. So I'm going here Microsoft Edge. You just need to type the Microsoft Bing URL and you will redirect to this website. Then here Copilot option is already available. Just simply click on it. Otherwise you just click on it or type here anything as you wish. So I'm just clicking on this and the Copilot window will open. So if you see here a lot of things we can do with the help of Copilot. But today we will see specifically the Excel activity. Now I already told to write a VBA code. So just I'm typing here write a VBA code for A1 cell A1 to its I guess A12. Let me check. It's A12 last cell. So A12 sorry E12 for highlight highlighting blank cells in a yellow color, and I'm submitting this. So Copilot is analyzing this question. Now let's see how it will be generating. So if you see here, it starts generating the code. I'm just clicking on this top responding, and here you see VBA code got generated by Copilot. So here's a symbol. You can copy this code. I'm just copying this code and again go to the Excel. Here the developer tab is available. Just need to click on it. Click on the Visual Basic. Now here you have to add a simple model. So just do right click on the insert and just model select. Now I'm just paste the code which I copied from the Copilot, right? So I have copied this code here and just go to the Excel again. Now I'm just adding a simple button to run this micro, and I'm assigning this micro to this code, and I'm just simply click on this. So once I click, if you see here, blank cell got highlighted with the yellow color. So it's really magical to get a ready-made code from the Copilot. Now let's see another example. So I'm going through Copilot again. Here we will type something like write a leave application for 4 days to manager, and I will submit this. Now let's see how Copilot will help us on this. So here it's giving a format. So if you see here, it's generated a proper format of leave application. So you just simply this format copy it from here, or you can download this export this format from this button in the Word format, PDF format, or the text format. It's up to you. Now I'm exporting in the Word format. Here is a button from you also, like from here you can copy these things, or you can share these things with anyone. So I'm just checking in the Word document. It's giving me a proper format. It's really amazing. Now we will see another example. Like we will ask something like, I want to start business of toys in India. Help me with plan and strategy. Also give me toys category along with price in a table format. Now let's see how Copilot will help us on this. So I simply ask Copilot for the business to start a business of toys, and what plan and strategy. So it started giving me some information. So if you see here, it's generating in a proper format. Now it's started giving the toys category and its price in the table format. So it's really amazing to get this information in a very proper format. So I will export this information into the Word format. It started exporting, and I think it's done. It's taking some second to export. There is some issue with the export. It's exported in the Word format, if you see here, and also it gives some references. We can click any of these and we will get this detailed information. It's really amazing to get all this information in a proper format. So I hope guys this video is really helpful for you, and you know that like you understand how the Copilot will help us in a different aspect. You can try this new AI tool and do your work simplified. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.